Yo, what's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Pokemon GO Spoofer on your iOS or Android device. This is going to be completely for free. We're going to get all these settings here. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. This is completely free, and I'm going to be running you through the full tutorial here today of how actually to do this. So, let's go ahead and show you how to do it. Now, before we get started, I will be putting this on a screen sharing so you guys can actually follow along and actually see it way better than that before. So you should see that pop up right now, okay? Now, here is my Pokemon GO game, and we've got of course, the spoofer right here. Now, what are some of the features of this spoofer? Well, the best thing about this is the teleporting. So basically, you can be on an island, or say I want to get to this island called Goat Island, okay? Ironic. You hold on iPogo, press teleport, press OK, and boom, it teleports us to the island. And it literally is that cool. So if there's any places you want to go you can't get to, or you just want to play Pokemon Go at home, you're going to be able to do this with this iPogo plugin. And look how many Pokemon are around here. It is literally insane, and of course it's completely for free to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, you will not need a computer with this tutorial. This version I am showing you here today is going to be a plugin that we install. I'm going to be running you through the full process of that, and it's so easy to use. Now, there's also another setting that a lot of people ask me for, and that is the joystick. So if you go to the settings on iPogo, go to joystick, turn that on, you now have a little joystick that you can now move around and walk around and do everything just like that. So super cool, super easy, and of course for free on this tutorial. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to get started. So you want to make sure you have Pokemon Go installed from either the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Like I said, this does work on iOS and Android. Once you've done that, we can go ahead and actually do it. So I'm going to come over here to Google, and you can visit whatever browser you want, doesn't really matter. But we're going to go to this website called plugineasy.com. So I'm going to spell it out for you, just follow along, it should be very easy. So type in this, www.plugineasy.com. And once it's loaded, you guys are going to see the website here, plugineasy.com. Now, all you have to do is simply, it's going to say search for the latest free plugin apps below. You're going to see the one there, Pokemon GO Spoofer. It's complete for free. So you just tap on that one, okay? It's going to say apps required. Just press start installation. And what Plugin Easy is going to do is basically install the Pokemon GO Spoofer to your device. It shouldn't take too long. It's going to go ahead, patch your kind of game files, and then we're going to go ahead and actually install the spoofer. Now, it is that easy. Plugin Easy goes ahead and does this, and this is without a computer. So if the other tutorials, you do actually need a computer, you need to plug them in, and you need to kind of like patch and sideload the app. This is completely for free and allows you to install the Pokemon GO Spoofer right here today. So, as you guys can see, this is just installing right now. All we need to do is simply wait for this to finish, and then it's going to require us some additional plugin files in order to fully install. And I'll show you that right now, but it shouldn't take too long. As you guys can see, just as loading. Wait for this to load, okay? And it's going to load to this page right here. And give it a sec, it's going to say your plugin requires 2 additional plugin files to install. So it should look like this. If it doesn't, I'm not sure what's wrong. But basically, in order to install this plugin, we're going to have to get some additional plugin files. Now, I've gone ahead and actually done one of them. I've done this Coin Master one. But basically, you just tap on it, and it's going to have some instructions. So this Coin Master one said, go ahead and complete Village Level 3. You're going to go ahead and you want to actually do that in order for it to count. There are going to be easier ones in the list, so you can choose those if you want, but normally top to bottom has the most successful rate, so you just go ahead and open up that one. Now, because I've already done this, that should be all fine, should be all good, but what we need to do is go ahead and actually get another one. Now, there's one here for TikTok. This one's easy, just go ahead and get TikTok, so you can go do that one as well. However, I've already got TikTok, so I don't think it's going to count. So let's just do another one. We've got Evertail here, let's do this one, okay? So there's all different ones you can do, and this is basically kind of skipping the side loading process. Without this process, you will need a computer, and that's why we do this version, because it is so easy. It basically installs through these applications. So Pokemon GO Spoofer, Plugin Easy takes care of it. So we're just going to wait for that to finish downloading. Okay, but basically, yeah, once this is all done, it shouldn't take too long, and yeah, it requires 2. So I've already done the Coin Master one, but I just got to do the Evertail one. So like I said guys, they're going to have instructions on what to do. So this Evertail one says go ahead and open it up. So we're going to make sure we go do that. So let's go do that right now, okay? Oh, it's not the track, okay. So it just says open it up. But yeah, you will have to only do this once, so don't worry about like having to do this every single time you want to use the app or anything like that. And it's going to stay on your game file, so you should be all good. Super easy, and that's it. So that's the 2 done now. And like I said guys, I already completed the Coin Master one pre-advanced, so it could save some time, because that one does take about 5 minutes to complete. So make sure you guys are completing those if you need any help. Now once we go back, give it about, I don't know, a minute or so, and it should go ahead and install the plugin, and we'll wait for that to happen. Alrighty, and what should happen now, it's going to say this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Perfect, so that's now worked. We go profile downloaded, press close. Okay, now once we do, and now if you're on Android, that's just going to install the APK. Now on iOS, you want to go to settings, okay, and you're going to see a setting here that says more for your phone, or something that says profile downloaded. Now if you don't see that, if you're good using an older phone or you're using a newer one, whatever in the future, you can still access this. You go to general in your iOS settings, go down to VPN and device management, and you're going to see downloaded profile iPogo. Tap on that, okay, and then press install. Type in your very secure passcode, okay, press next, press install, done, and now you have the iPogo plugin installed. Now this is already added to your original files, so now all you don't even have to open it, just simply open the original Pokemon Go app that you've got there, okay, and now you should have all the Pokemon Go Spoofer settings installed and everything ready to go. And there you guys can see it's already loaded. So no, exit out, dismiss, and if we go here, as you guys can see, we've got all the map and everything all ready to go, and of course we can teleport and auto walk anywhere we want. So we can go here, teleport, okay, and it's that easy. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys need any help, drop a comment below, but that is how you spoof on Pokemon Go. Full tutorial here today. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.